Yeah, good day everyone. Another quick one. Um, a question of from set theory, OBJ question from WAEC past question also. Please let us answer this together. Now, in a class of 30 students, I don't want to take our time. Every student has what? At least a ruler. That is to say, in that class of 30 students, every student at least none of the students will say I didn't have what? Ruler. So every one of them will have at least one ruler. We have people that have two, we have people that have three, and so on. So now what happen is we have some students that have 20. If 25 students have white ruler, we have 25 students that have what? White ruler. We also have 20 students that have what? Yellow rulers. Okay, the question now is how many students have ruler of both color? That means there are some students, apart from some students that have white only, there are some students that have what? Yellow only. But there are some students that have both color. They have the white, they have the yellow. So that's the question they are asking us to find. So how do we do that? Let us, we might not need this Venn diagram, but let me just use it to explain. Let us say this is the box that contains, or the class that contains the student. We have, the question has opened to us that there are some students that have both. So it means if you want to bring their section out, we must have that, I mean the connection, the intersection, as it is called in what? Under set. So this is where they ask us to find. Let's put X. Let us assume this is okay. Let's say universal, this is what? 30. We have 30 students. Then we have this to be what's the white ball. This is the yellow ball. So this will be 25 white, then this should be 20. But this 25 are not, it does not mean the people that these students that take white, does not mean only white. Most of the students here, some of them have yellow. So it doesn't mean only white. This also doesn't mean only yellow. So the only way to recognize that the only is to